This old boat restoration. This is an old aluminum boat who've been sitting in the driveway in the backyard for almost 20 years. It is an aluminum boat. It is the aluminum itself is in great shape. The transom need to be redone. As you could see, the board on the back of the transom is completely gone. The aluminum boat needs a good cleanup, definitely. Been sitting upside down in the element for the last 20 years. But overall, the hull is in very good shape. No perforation, no bump. The trailer also been sitting for the last 20 years, so long that it slowly started to sink into the ground. But in a pretty good shape. You have to change the rope in the winch and the first roll. For the rest of the trailer, I think just a good coat of paint will do the job. The person who had the boat used, since the boat was upside down on top of the trailer, the person used under the trailer to stash firewood to keep it dry. But that's not a problem. Here we put back the tire on the trailer and we put it out of the ground, and as you can see it is in pretty good shape, no rust. Everything is solid and sound except maybe that back roller there will need a welding done to the support. But otherwise in pretty good shape. This is the wood that was stashed under the trailer, so we just put it beside. Yes, here that support, they need a little welding. Otherwise, the roll itself is in pretty good shape, as the rest of the trailer. So I think with a very little work, that trailer can be serviceable almost right away. You just have to change the rope in the winch and the top roll. The inside of the boat is an amazingly good shape. The wood benches are in immaculate shape, no rot at all. The wood is very sound. The hull, the aluminum and the gunwale, everything is in perfect shape. And we'll see shortly, this is a fairly old boat. You can see here the wooden part that holding the bridge need to be replaced, and the hull, like I said, is in very good shape. As you can see, that wooden part here is completely rotted, have to be replaced. The wood bench are in perfect shape, not even need to be repainted. The inside of the transom need to be changed too. The wood is completely rotten. And that boat was manufactured in Canada. As we can see here, was built in 1953, model Yukon, for maximum of 20 horsepower. So that's going to be 1953. That is a 68 years old boat, and for a 68-year-old boat, is in an amazingly good shape. As we can see here, there was no provision to put a drain plug back then. That's something can be done later on, but it is the aluminum part is almost, well, I will say not mint condition, but perfect shape for such an old boat. And you can see the inside being repainted in aluminum color. We can spot some places what I believe was the original color. Must have been some sort of green. So some work to do on that boat, but I think it will be serviceable with a little work. The goal here is not to put it back in showroom condition, but just to fix it in order that we can use it for fishing and having fun on the lake. Here the back of the transom needs to be redone completely. You just can see the imprint where the old support was. There's some work to do. Here we put it back on his trailer and move it a bit. So this is an old boat made by Peterborough. Like I said, some work to do on the transom motor support and the front of the bridge, and with a good clean up, I think it will be a very good boat.